Hey Camp La Junta, welcome to the Daily Do. Today we're going to be making ice cream. What you need to make ice cream are some measuring utensils, a small plastic bag, a big plastic bag, some ice, some half and half, some vanilla, sugar, and any toppings you want to put on your ice cream. First thing you're going to do is going to put 1 cup of half and half into your small resealable bag. This is gonna go well. Now you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar into your small bag. Now you're gonna put a half of tablespoon of vanilla extract into your bag. Now that you have those 3 ingredients into your small bag, you're gonna seal it up. You're gonna press out the air when you're sealing it up. Make sure there's no air in there, and reseal your small bag back up. So for your large bag, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add 3 cups of ice. Then, this didn't make it in the first scene, but you actually need kosher salt. And you're gonna add 1/3 cup of kosher salt into your big bag. All right, make sure you have a really good seal on your small bag. You're gonna put that bag inside of your big bag, sealed up. Push out all the air. And now it's time to shake. You're gonna shake this for 7 to 10 minutes until you start to feel ice cream. All right, once you've shaken it for 7 to 10 minutes and the ice cream's starting to become firm, you can open it up, take your small bag out, then you're gonna open it up. Oh yeah. Scoop some into our little bowl here. And I just like chocolate, so I'm gonna add a little chocolate on top. I know it's tempting. I would add ketchup, but not this time. Add a little chocolate on there. Push it up. Delicious. All right, there's your ice cream. For written instructions, as always, please go on to our website under our news section at www.lahunta.com. Have fun out there and happy Cinco de Mayo.